fluent. Then file, read, mesh, where it is here. Done. Yes, check scale. Our dimension was in mm. Scale, close. Gravity should be on, that is minus 9.81. It is for steady state. Go for model, where it is. Then we will go for model here in viscous model, K epsilon model, realizable K epsilon model, and enhanced wall treatment should be on. Okay, and say OK. Then go for boundary condition at inlet velocity. We will give some 5 meter per second. In specification model, we will go for intensity and hydraulic diameter. So intensity we will write it is 0.3, and hydraulic diameter will write 0.4. Say OK. Then after that click on model, that is a discrete phase. This is a discrete phase model. In discrete phase model, what you can do, instead of maximum number of steps, you can say 5000, or you can increase number of steps. I can say 5000 only. Then go for injection. You can create here injection. You can create injection from surface, insert. For injection type, you can select surface. Surface is inlet. Okay, and here the diameter you can see E 0.001. Okay, then here it is inert. Then you can see change the reason rammer. Okay, and now you can see the minimum diameter, maximum diameter of the injecting particles, and number of diameters you can increase 10 from 20. Speed of the parameter, it is 3.5. you can keep it as it is. It will not that much affect. And you can click on inject using face normal direction. It means it is a normal to the face. Okay, and here velocity in meter per second, I can say 5. Volume I can give 0.05, that is kg per second volume total flow rate. Okay, and I can say OK. Now you can see injection is there. Click on injection. Okay, set. Okay, next part, I will say in injection part, so I can say OK. I will go in material part. Now you can see in material part there is a air and inner particle, which are the particles are there. So what I will do, I will click on inner particle, double click, you will get here. Instead of this Anthersia, so I will say rename is at water. I will spray water particle in a air. Okay. Then you can see the density 700, sorry. Okay. That you can change density. Then remaining part say OK. 700 kg. Create change, yes, and close. Okay. So water we will going to spray, water droplets I can say, water spray. Okay. Then again I will go for boundary condition where inlet is there. Okay. I will edit in inlet, that is a discrete phase model, it is escape model, say OK. Same in outlet I will check discrete phase model, escape model is there, say OK. Then again somewhere here in outlet I can say pressure outlet, alright. Okay. Hydraulic intensity, it is 0.3 and it is 0.4, say OK. Anything remaining, just I am checking. I will again check discrete phase model in injection, something is there or not. Read, sorry, create, not required, already I have created one. Read it, sorry. Then close. Okay. Then if there is any thing is there that I want to see, nothing. Close. Okay. Then what is another part? Go for solution. It is a compute from inlet, fluid, solution method, it is coupled one. Then gradient is Gauss, green Gauss cell based model. Then remaining thing is same. Solution control, flow current number is here default, they have taken 200, so let it be current model. Then under relaxation factor keep it is as it is. Monitor solution initialization I can say standard, compute from inlet, so initialize. Calculations, number of calculation I can say 1000 and calculate. Let's see how it is calculating. Now you can see it is completed almost 1000 iteration, and you can see its value is somewhat similar. So you can close, you can write file, write case and data size, and we will see its results in another video. Thank you and have a nice day.